This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a sound alert provider and authorizing it with Twitch via OAuth so events can trigger sounds. This is essential because the provider sends an alert URL to your stream. Once done, copy the provider's overlay URL and add it inside OBS as a browser source size to your canvas. That's how alerts render. Make sure the source is visible in the correct scene and unmuted. Also upload or pick your sound clips and assign names so you can reference them later. Now you tune how sounds behave. Upload clips in supported formats, set individual clip volumes and priority so loud clips don't drown everything else. Once done, configure cooldowns and max concurrent alerts to prevent spam. Make sure user costs or channel point hooks are set if you want monetization or gating. Next, connect chat commands or channel points rewards to trigger specific clips so viewers can activate them. Finally, test different priorities and concurrency to avoid overlapping chaos. Finish by performing a full live test while recording or in a private stream so you can hear the result exactly as viewers will. Once done, tweak global mix and add OBS filters like a compressor to keep levels steady. Make sure channel moderation, cooldowns, and accessibility labels are set. If you don't hear alerts, check that the browser source isn't muted, verify your desktop/browser audio output device, whitelist the overlay URL, and confirm no firewall or browser privacy setting blocks playback. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.